How was work?
I'm so tired. My boss told me to work harder with more heart. Is dinner ready? Where's the kids?
I am now cooking. The children are playing in their room. Be strong, dear. I know you work hard to provide for the family. I'm upset because I have bad score in my exam. I don't want to tell mom and dad.
Don't worry, Mom and Dad will be okay as long as you study harder.
Yes, I hope so. I hope I will do better next time.
Well, at first I have bad score, but I study harder, so I have good scores now.
Kids, dinner is ready. Come to the dining room and eat.
Yes, Mother.
So, how is your school, children?
I have bad score on my exam, Dad. That is okay, dear. I remember you study hard for that. If you study harder, you can do better next time.
I have better score now.
If you two have good score in the end of the semester, we will have autumn vacation.
Can we go to the mall and buy toys?
Can we buy the new Xbox?
Or we can take vacation to Izmir. We can have a good time.
Yes, I will get the toys and maybe go to some.
Can I buy more cosmetics and dresses? Oh, Mom, you always go shopping.
We will all have